can use if, else, and sometimes even elif. Conditions are simple. In our present code, we can combine our two existing elif blocks by using OR. So first, delete this print, then remove the elif here, shift end, cut it, then remove the content of the end here, put an OR, then after the OR, paste. So let's run the OR tutorial on thinking of a whole number from 1 to 3. Guess my number and you shall be rewarded. So let's type 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. So next time, we have different conditions for which we have the same action. Use OR.